In this video, I'm going to show you how to export Microsoft Copilot conversations to a PDF. Now, there's actually only one way to do this, and there's no button you have to press on here on the website, and that is the following. What I would recommend first is whenever you are inside a conversation, you zoom out a bit, okay? So you could do this by pressing Ctrl on your keyboard and then pressing either plus or minus, okay? So I'm gonna go and do the minus, or just hold down the Ctrl key on your keyboard and scroll down on your mouse, if you're using a mouse, of course, or a pad or whatever you're using, and then just scroll out a bit over here. So as you can see here, I can see my chat and conversation in here, and what you can then do to actually export to a PDF is right click anywhere over here and click on print. When you do this here, you will have to select where it says destination, click on Save as PDF over here, and when you do this, make sure you actually place everything over here on your page. So for the first time you do this, you may have like default margins where you can't actually see everything, so it's going to be like this. As you can see, it's a bit cut out on the sides, so you could go to margins and then do minimum or none or whatever fits the best for your needs. And as you can see over here, kind of the print screen of my page has now been saved over here. Now, of course, not everything has been saved. Not everything has fit to this page, unfortunately. So what you can do is actually scroll down a bit and then do this again, and then just click on print. And then here you're going to get another PDF. Okay, so that's the only way to actually export it. But of course, a better option than doing this manually each and every single time would be to just copy your text and then put it inside a PDF editor online and then save that PDF. Okay, that's going to be a bit more convenient, but if you just need a quick print screen or a quick PDF of, let's say, a quick answer, you could just right click, print, and do as I showed you over here. So that's how to do it. That's the best way. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.